Is it this mumble? Take up a bumble clad glasses. Oh, not trouble now. Mumble rappers, only not trouble now. On a rap on and move them out. On our ventriloquist. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Pam, 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 pam. You know my intro already is different. Different. So today, guys, we are doing something different. No, it's not different. It's not different. I'm joking. Today we're doing Headie 1 Siberia featuring Burna Boy. This is my first track I'm reacting to for Burna Boy. So let's just jump to tonight. Big up all of the new subscribers and big up the comment section. It's been active. Thank you guys for helping me out on the last 3 video them with some of the things I missed. Also, YouTube blocked one of the abracadabra reactions. Yeah, YouTube blocked it yesterday. So I've appealed it, so hopefully them release it again. YouTube, move on the bumbleclot and release the bumbleclot thing, you know, yacht. Release the bumbleclot video, yacht. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. YouTube now. Rant is over. YouTube time. So, relentless. Relentless. Let's go. Yo, that is a scene. That is a scenery. Yo, me like. I keep saying this, guys. Me like how the UK artists them are put in them work and I be creative with them video. This is different. Anyone, big up, dog. Big up. Because right now, some views me I see, dog. Views. The catch with my face is familiar. I am a shank and I score cafeteria. Oh my god. Look at the scene. Look at the scene, guys. Look at the scene, guys. Look at the scene. Jeez, bro. The catch with my face is familiar. I am a shank and I score cafeteria. The man just talking that for the la Lenica. Just wanna tell me like Johnny Dylan just in. You see this mumble rapping thing. I don't know what the fuck is going on with it. But it a bust up my brain. This mumble rapping thing, dog. Into something Siberia, something, then him said JX, which is the feds. This mumble rapping thing, I fuck up my nerves, man. Everyone, big up your fucking self still, my G. You share my video on your social, my fam. Respect you, see me? They love to make me a prisoner. I was in prison when bro used to visit me. Now they got bro and they say I'm the visit. Come. I was in prison when I was in prison when somebody prisoner. I was in prison when bro used to visit me. Now they got bro and they say I'm the visit. Come. Oh, I was in prison when bro trying to visit me, and now I'm. Oh gosh, I'm gonna struggle with this son. Well, with Headie 1 part anyway. I'm not sure what Burna Boy is gonna be saying or doing. Was needles and cylinders, phone was bitten and kingfisher. Didn't do well on my literature. Now just fire in a booth, no fire extinguisher. I didn't do well in my literature, which is I'm English. No, it's fire in the boat, not fire not fire extinguisher. I'm trying. I'm fucking trying, man. That prime minister, the system is sinister. Lord of this. Wait. Some boy prime minister. Now just fire in a booth, no fire extinguisher. Fuck that prime minister, the system is sinister. Lord of this Nina, this one got a whistle on the. Fuck the prime minister, the system is sinister. You know here. Yeah, the man said fuck the prime minister. YouTube, don't block this again. It's not me saying this. It's not me saying this, so don't block this. But fuck the prime minister. Tapping my rap, know the story of fictional. I'm scared right to this principle. I won't lie on the elbow, I lie to the tongue. Well, let me see what this is. This look like when you're dizzy. What name again? Him don't find the boat. But the whole OFB gang did it. Yo, this is how I like that. Anytime the man shoot a video, OFB is there. That's not Abra, is it? I don't think that's Abra. Every time OFB shoot a video, the whole gang did the dog. Look at the man them there, brother. This is madness. Look at the man them at. I was writing my mouth, so I did by my gun on my bitch by herself. Fast styling, Chanel, show you styling as well. Do you wish me well? Ice on my wrist like a swell. Yo. Me can't stop. Who shot this video? Was it Relentless? I'm waiting for Burna Boy part because I've missed everything where Headie wants to be.
Us try drilling, they fell. They grandma both fine for bell. I guess time will tell. They find the world all like Siberia. They catch me, my face is familiar.
Miriam, woo! They catch my faces. They catch it, but even though I don't know exactly what he's saying, but it's catchy. The mumble rap and shit, bro. It's fucking me up, dog. I'm gonna stop reacting to them songs, you know. Anyone, no disrespect, but I'm gonna stop reacting to them bumbuckler thing. Yeah, fuck up my brain, bro.
I'm shack in a school cafeteria. The man just talking that for the Lenica. Just wanna tell me like Johnny Dillinger. They love to make me a prisoner.
Real African beauty. Look at her. Real African princess. Real African beauty.
I was in prison when bro used to visit me. Now they got bro and they say I'm the visit.
I'm smoking gas like a cylinder. I grip the 50 like Vivica.
Boop, 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 boop. Yes, we can understand this. I smoking just like a flint. I'm smoking just like a cylinder. I grip the 50 like yo, yeah. Let's see more of this.
I get the packs and I send them down. Ride dirty like a millionaire.
Ride dirty like a millionaire. Burna boy, you are the digger.
I'm just a greasy Nigerian. I just might fuck up your feelings though. I make you sick like malaria. I do the rope on myself because I.
Whoa! I'm just a greasy Nigerian. Yo, when you hear the part again, dog. Bars!
Ride dirty like a millionaire. I'm just a greasy Nigerian. I just might fuck up your feelings though. I make you sick like malaria.
Yo. We need to react to some more Burna Boy. I'm just a freaking.
No.
I'm just a sleazy Nigerian. Yo, man. Big up the Nigerian that I watch a video.
I do not fuck with no niggas. I do not fuck with no niggas. These niggas too fucking slinky. Making me nervous, I'm biting my finger.
I do not fuck with no niggas. No. So basically, I said niggas make him nervous. Them all about all them fingernail. Them can't trust them nigga. Yeah, them nigga yeah is rats, rodents, and roaches. The 3 R's. Rat, rodents, and roaches. That is what these are. These niggas are nowadays. Bitches and sissies. Let's go.
I don't like no drama because I'm not Jerry Springer. Side by side with hammers, anywhere to the window.
I don't like the drama. Woo! Because I like Jerry Springer. Man say you're on a drama thing. If you want drama, go to Jerry Springer. Jerry. Steve was the body security guard upon Jerry. I used to watch Jerry Springer when I was younger. You know Jerry Springer, lots of controversy going there, man. Lots of shit.
I come black for the regalia. I'ma have them swimming with tilapia. Cause when my enemies die, I get happy.
What am I saying about tilapia?
I come black for the regalia. I'ma have them swimming with tilapia. Cause when my enemies.
I'm having some meal with tilapia. Tilapia is a kind of fish. It's a kind of fish. So we know that African love them.
I come black for the regalia. I'ma have them swimming with tilapia. Cause when my enemies die, I get happier. Then I take a private plane out to Malia.
When my enemies die, me get happier. Let me jump on a private plane. Zoop! Malia, me gone. Shoot out. Roll out. Nod out. Let's go.
That's my bro at the door, you should let him in. He got my food on my bread with him. He got cup off of my enemy. Them and the middle finger for the government.
Ooh, bro, I've copper for the enemy, then my middle finger for the government. Bars!
My face is familiar. I had my shack in a school cafeteria. The man just talking that for the Lenica. Just wanna tell me like Johnny Dillinger.
I think this is a good combination. Very good combination. Anyone, good choice of combo. Burna Boy, CMG. Good combination. Good fucking combination.
He a prisoner. I was in prison when bro used to visit me. Now they got bro and they say I'm the visit. Look like Siberia. They catch me, my face is familiar.
The catch on my face is familiar. That's the part women I understand. Could somebody explain that to me? When said this? What I mean by when I'm saying?
Shack in a school cafeteria. The man just talking that for the Lenica. Just wanna tell me like Johnny Dillinger. They love to make me a prisoner.
You see this mumble? Take up a bumble class glasses. Only not trouble now. Mumble rappers only not trouble now. Una rap on and move them out. Una what? Ventriloquist? Una rap on and move them out. Look at Headie one more a while ago. Look at Headie one more. Him not moving more.
Just wanna tell me like Johnny Dillon just
watch.
They love to make me a prisoner.
Let me a prisoner. What the bumper clot? So all the reds will come out and that make sense. How do not move them out? How do this? This is a form of art. Not art. This is a form of art. I'll get heart and art mix up. How can I have this? Man, fix up yourself and stop doing that.
I never me tell you go do it. I never me send you go do it.
They got bro and they say on the visa. Don't pull up round there acting goofy. You could get shot like a movie.
Don't pull up in here acting goofy. You could get shot like a movie, not with camera though. Gunshot. Movie time.
You could get hit with a 2-piece. Your blood gets spun with a Uzi. Bang, 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 ah. You could get shot in the mouth.
You can get shot in your mouth. You hear that? Your teeth jump out. You hear that? Yeah. Fucking banger. Fucking banger. Fucking banger. Banger. Anyone, I'm sorry if I miss most of what you was saying. I'm sorry, MG. Burna Boy, big up that. But Edwin and Burna Boy, good fucking collab. Good collab. That song, yeah, 100% pass for me. 100% pass for me. I like it. And Edwin, you have to go tell me how the fuck you rap and don't move your mouth. You can get trouble your reason. I can get don't know. What the I don't know what the fuck these guys are saying, bro. Me fucked up on this reaction. No lie. Big up on yourself still. I'm out of here. No lie. Bye. No lie. No.